Hello dear friends, welcome to Kesaria Textile Company. Guys, in this video, I'm gonna showcase you some beautiful fancy print catalog collections. Guys, first in my hand, our starting range of fancy print catalog collections is 150 rupees. Rather than that, if our simple prints, our starting range is 55, but these are some beautiful concepts in print fancy collections which are start here at 149 rupees. These kind of pouch packaging you will get which protect the product of from any of the damages in preventing in transport facility. Rather than that, in each of our pouches, these kind of barcode sticker we have. In this barcode sticker, you will get the details of product like how was the fabric is Raniel, was the how much the cut is you have in this particular 5.5 meter per approx cut you will have. Without blouse these have, and pieces will be you get 8 pieces at particular all the different colors of shades. Let me open one saree in to showcase you how the design will be there. See, this is the some beautiful concepts in Raniel fabric. You will get these kind of particular fabrics. Say these kind of very beautiful fabrics we are here in this Kesaria Textile Company. Next one is these kind of beautiful occasion wise also you can wear these kind of concepts. See, beautiful border lace is there which have the beautiful collections and work of golden zari threading work, and some small stones are stick, and these kind of beautiful tassels you have at any of our product. Rather than that, next one is this kind of bandhni pattern. You will say all these kind of bandhni pattern is come under the all the Rajasthani taste or any of our concepts you will have in this particular taste. Many of our products we manufacture at under one roof, which you name it, Kesaria Textile Company. We have another one sections also in the fancy print catalog collections. These are the some photos and images of our happy and satisfied customers. They are giving us reviews. They start their own business with a minimum budget. There is no need of 1 lakh, 2 lakh, that big much amount to start your own businesses. Just invest minimum amount of 15,000, 20,000 or 25,000 for start your own business at your home or any of your residential area. Next one is this also a beautiful collections in a fancy print. Fancy print you have these kind of beautiful collections. See, likewise this kind of crush material in this particular pattern you will get at under one roof. See, these kind of beautiful concepts, these kind of beautiful products we have under one roof. If you notice, these kind of box packaging of with our logo you will get at any of our product. These kind of catalog we provide in all of our print collections. See, representing all the single pieces colors in any of our designs, we will represent these kind of catalog books. So guys, any of your requirements like gifts item, wedding collections, bridal wear collections in sarees, pure Banarasi silk collections, all the needs of your sarees, lehengas, kurtis, gowns, just come and visit once in a while to start your own businesses. So guys, see you in a next interesting and useful videos, and thank you.